If you've ever wanted to create a pixelized image in Shadergraph in Unity, it's actually really easy. So we'll start off and create a UV node. We'll take our UV node and simply multiply it by a number. I've multiplied it by the number 10 set in this variable. And so what we're doing is, instead of the UV node going from 0 to 1 in both axes, it's now going from 0 to 10. And the reason why going from 0 to 10 is useful for us is if we use a floor function, we can basically round down all these numbers. So instead of going from 0 to 10 in a linear gradient, we're going from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3, all the way up to 10. This preview doesn't really show it, but once we divide by our original number, we're back to a 0 to 1 grid. But instead of going in a smooth gradient like our original UV does, we're actually going from 0 to 0.1, 0.2, and so on, all the way to number 1. What's great about this is now that we can plug it into a texture, and once we plug it in, we're going to get a pixelated effect like this. And I can change the resolution to another number, for example, 32, and we get more detail, and we can even go higher to something like 64 and get even more detail.